Welcome back. Today's word of the day is customer segmentation. Now, this might sound like a marketing term, but to me it's actually a finance term and a really important finance concept. So, customer segmentation. Each year I take all of my customers and I segment them into quartiles or quintiles. Quartiles means I break them into 4 groups, right? Or maybe quintiles, 5 groups. And I'm looking for the groups that spend the most or spend the least with me. So my best customers, my 20% of my best customers, my 20% worst customers, and I look at how are they different? How much do they spend? How much profit do I make from each one? Which kinds of services are they buying from me? It's a very instructive process to go through to segment your customers into quintiles or quartiles based on the amount of money that they spend with you and the amount of profit that you earn from each customer. So try it out and see what you learn about your customers by using a customer segmentation analysis.